Hello, my stylish friends! Are you ready to step into spring with elegance and flair? Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Burda Style 3/25 issue, a collection that's fresh, modern, and absolutely inspiring. Whether you're looking to revamp your wardrobe or create pieces that radiate sophistication, this issue has it all. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single design. Stay with me until the end, because we're about to uncover some truly stunning styles. The Tiered Midi Dress. Flowing fabrics, subtle ruffles, and a romantic botanical-inspired print. This tiered midi dress is the epitome of spring elegance. Designed with comfort and femininity in mind, the dress moves beautifully with every step, making it ideal for twirling at garden parties or enjoying a breezy outdoor brunch. The soft, lightweight fabric features delicate floral patterns and gentle hues, capturing the essence of the season. Its tiered design adds texture and interest, creating a silhouette that flatters a variety of body types. Pair it with strappy sandals and a sun hat for daytime outings, or elevate the look with wedges and a statement necklace for evening events. This dress is more than a garment. It's an expression of effortless grace. The sleek cigarette pants. Say hello to tailored perfection. These slim-fit cigarette pants are designed to flatter and elongate the legs, making them a staple for any spring wardrobe. Available in soft mint green and classic navy, these trousers are a perfect mix of modern style and timeless appeal. Crafted with a hint of stretch for comfort, they feature a mid-rise waist and a clean, streamlined fit that's versatile for both casual and formal settings. Pair them with a structured blazer and loafers for a sharp office look, or dress them down with a tucked-in knit top and ballet flats for a laid-back weekend ensemble. These pants are not just about style, they're about feeling confident and put together wherever you go. The romantic blouse. Soft pastel hues, intricate lace accents, and dramatic balloon sleeves make this romantic blouse an absolute showstopper. This piece is all about embracing femininity with a modern twist, making it the ideal addition to your spring wardrobe. Picture it in crisp white for a timeless look, or in blush pink for a touch of sweetness. The blouse's voluminous sleeves create an elegant silhouette, while the lace detailing adds a delicate, luxurious finish. Whether you pair it with flowing skirts for a sophisticated evening outfit, or tuck it into high-waisted trousers for a chic day look, this blouse effortlessly exudes romance and charm. The Modern Denim Jacket. This isn't just a denim jacket, it's a wardrobe essential reimagined with a tailored touch. Its cropped length and contrast stitching bring a contemporary edge, while the structured fit ensures it flatters all body types. Available in classic indigo and a light spring wash, this jacket pairs beautifully with almost anything. Throw it over the tiered midi dress for a casual yet polished outfit, or layer it with the sleek cigarette pants and a simple tee for an effortlessly chic look. With its perfect balance of function and style, this jacket is ideal for those slightly chilly spring mornings or evenings when you want to add a touch of casual sophistication. But wait, before we dive into more highlights, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to get exclusive previews like this, along with tips to style your creations and bring these designs to life. Don't miss out. Hit that button now. Asymmetrical hems are stealing the spotlight this season, and the Flowy Wrap Skirt is no exception. Designed with a stunning watercolor floral print, this piece feels like a painting come to life. The wrap style allows for an adjustable fit, ensuring both comfort and versatility. Dress it up with heels and a silky blouse for a romantic dinner, or keep it casual with a fitted tank top and white sneakers for a day out. The soft, airy fabric flows beautifully as you walk, giving this skirt a dreamy, ethereal quality. It's the kind of piece that makes every outing feel like a special occasion. Nothing says effortless elegance like the draped jumpsuit. With its sophisticated draped bodice and wide-leg silhouette, this design strikes the perfect balance between comfort and style. Ideal for a variety of occasions, this jumpsuit is a blank canvas ready to be styled. Add a metallic belt and statement earrings for a glamorous evening look, or keep it simple with minimalist sandals and a tote bag for daytime ease. Available in deep jewel tones like emerald green and sapphire blue, this jumpsuit is your go-to for making a statement without trying too hard. Every wardrobe needs a blazer, and this one takes the classic staple to a whole new level. Its asymmetrical lapel and single-button closure create a sleek, modern silhouette that's as striking as it is versatile. Choose from bold spring shades like coral or turquoise for a pop of color, or opt for timeless neutrals like black and taupe for effortless coordination. Layer it over a blouse and trousers for work, or pair it with jeans and heels for a night out. This blazer's unique design ensures you'll stand out wherever you go, all while maintaining a polished and professional vibe. Practicality meets sophistication in this maxi shirt dress. Its button-down front, cinched waist, and rolled-up sleeves make it both functional and chic, while the bold stripe or gingham pattern adds a playful touch of personality. This piece is perfect for layering. Wear it open as a lightweight duster over jeans and a tank, or style it as a dress with a wide belt and sandals. Its versatility makes it a staple for spring adventures, from picnics in the park to leisurely shopping trips. Let's not forget the importance of everyday essentials. The structured knit top is designed with a square neckline and short puff sleeves, giving it a trendy yet timeless appeal. Available in classic white and soft pastel tones, this top is perfect for creating a variety of looks. Pair it with high-waisted skirts for a feminine vibe, or tuck it into tailored trousers for a smart casual ensemble. Its clean lines and flattering fit make it a piece you'll reach for again and again. Burda Style 3/2025 is all about fresh starts, bold creativity, and timeless elegance. Whether you're sewing for yourself or creating for others, these patterns offer something truly special for the season. Which design caught your eye the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. There's plenty more fashion inspiration coming your way.